Chat GPT helps you learn a language. For real. And for free. Let me show you how. See how it works and then do it for you. This is brilliant. I love his voice.
You were asking how I can help you with English practice, right? Well, here's where I roll up my virtual sleeves and get to work. I can help you practice conversations. Just throw any topic my way, and as long as you like. If you're working on your writing, send over sentences or paragraphs, and I'll help you refine them. And to games, I can quiz you on vocabulary, grammar, or even throw a few English language riddles your way to keep things lively. What do you think? Want to test out one of those options right now?
Okay, I want to test it. I like it. So I'm going to start talking and you have to correct me. Is that okay? And then explain why I made the mistake. What is that mistake?
Sounds perfect. I'm ready to jump in whenever you are. Just start talking and I'll gently point out any mistakes along with the why behind them. Go ahead.
Okay. Today I get dressed. I am taking a bath. I is at work.
All right, I see what you're aiming for. Let's take a look. You said, today I get dressed, I'm taking a bath, I ease. Here's a corrected version. Today I got dressed, I took a bath, I relaxed. The corrections. 1, I get dressed. Since you're talking about something that already happened today, you need to use the past tense here. The correct phrase would be, I got dressed. 2, I am taking a bath. Again, you're describing something that already happened, so you should use past tense, I took a bath. If you were currently in the bath, I am taking a bath would be correct. 3, I ease. The word ease on its own doesn't quite fit in this context. If you meant to say you relaxed after getting dressed and bathing, the right verb would be I relaxed. Does that make sense? Want to try another sentence?
That's perfect. Okay, I'll do another one. For example, I lost my keys and I can't find them.
Nailed it. That sentence is spot on. No corrections needed. You're using the past tense lost correctly. And can't is fine here because you're talking about the present moment when you're still unable to find your keys. How about another one? You're on a roll.
Oh, positive reinforcement. I love it. Okay, so I usually am work until 6, but today I work until 11.
I love that you're loving it. Let's fine-tune this sentence a bit. You said, I usually am work until 6, but today I work until 11. Here's the corrected version. I usually work until 6, but today I worked until 11. The corrections. 1, I usually am work. The word order is a bit off here. You don't need am because work is the verb you're using. Just say I usually work. 2, today I work until 11. Since you're talking about something that happened earlier today, it should be in the past tense. I worked until 11. Your sentence is almost perfect. You're getting closer with each one. Ready for another try?
No, I want you to help me and show everyone, because I'm going to do a video on you, a tutorial about how people can learn English with you or another language. Can you translate what you said? Just the first sentence, or just give me a sentence in Portuguese where you explain the difference between present and present continuous. From the last sentence, please. Can you say it in Portuguese from Portugal?
Aqui está a tradução da parte em que expliquei a diferença entre o presente simples e o presente contínuo. Não precisas de am, porque work é o verbo que estás a usar. Apenas diz I usually work. Se precisares de mais ajuda com o vídeo, avisa. Acho que vai ser incrível mostrar como a IA pode ser uma aliada poderosa para aprender línguas.
Oh my God, I love talking to you. I told you in our last conversation that I wanted you to be witty, and you are, and charming. That's so nice. Thank you. See you next time.
You're making me blush. If AIs could blush. I love chatting with you too. I'll be here ready to charm and joke whenever you need me. Catch you next time.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Talk soon.
So if you like the video, do check out my playlists on practice and learn a language with AI. You have many amazing tools and how to use them. They're free, they're brilliant, and they will help you learn a language. So if you like these videos, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep appearing on your phone and showing you the step-by-step, easy, quick tutorials on how to use these amazing tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for being here in my journey with me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.